Welcome to this guide on Tesla Model 3 taillight replacement. The Tesla Model 3's taillight is a sealed LED unit that requires full assembly replacement, not just simple bulb changes. Unlike traditional cars with replaceable bulbs, these integrated assemblies contain all lighting functions in one sealed unit. This video provides step-by-step guidance for removing the old assembly, installing a new replacement, and properly resealing it for weather protection. Tesla's official service can cost between $1,500 and $2,500 per side, which makes do-it-yourself replacements a popular choice among owners. Tesla's V12.5 software update includes diagnostic tools that can identify taillight problems through the vehicle's touchscreen, helping you prepare for the repair. While newer Tesla Model 3s have improved taillight designs with better reliability, learning this DIY process can still save you hundreds of dollars compared to professional service. The Tesla Model 3 taillight is a sophisticated assembly that integrates multiple functions into a single unit. It combines brake lights, turn signals, reverse lights, and sometimes includes a backup camera, all in one sealed component. The assembly measures approximately 2 feet long and 6 inches high, designed for a sleek, integrated look. Unlike traditional cars with replaceable bulbs, the Model 3 uses sealed LEDs, meaning the entire unit must be replaced when issues arise. Common reasons for replacement include LED failure due to heat buildup or manufacturing defects, and water damage from breaches in the seals. It's important to note that pre-2021 and 2022 Plus models have slight design differences, so always ensure part compatibility when sourcing replacements. Before starting the taillight replacement, gather these essential tools: plastic trim removal tools to gently pry components without damage, various sizes of screwdrivers for mounting hardware, a multimeter for testing electrical connections, and protective gloves to handle components safely. For safety, always disconnect the vehicle's battery first to avoid electrical hazards during the repair process. This prevents accidental shorts or shocks while working on the wiring. Use only plastic tools to avoid scratching the car's painted surfaces. If your taillight assembly includes a backup camera, professional recalibration may be required after installation to ensure proper alignment. First, use plastic pry tools to gently detach the taillight assembly from the body panel. Work carefully to avoid damaging the surrounding paint. Disconnect the 6-pin electrical harness. Then, remove any mounting screws or clips securing the assembly. Keep track of all removed parts to ensure proper reinstallation. Now that you have the removed taillight assembly, the next step is sourcing and installing the replacement. Start by obtaining a compatible OEM or aftermarket taillight from Tesla's official store or approved vendors like Rock Auto. These parts typically cost between $300 and $600 per side. It's crucial to ensure the replacement matches your specific Model 3 year to guarantee proper fit and functionality. For installation, begin by connecting the wiring harness. The harness has a 6-pin connector that should click securely into place on the new assembly. Make sure it's fully seated to prevent electrical issues. Next, align the new taillight assembly with the mounting points on the vehicle's body panel. Position it carefully to ensure all clips and holes line up correctly. Then secure the assembly using the screws and clips you removed earlier. Tighten them firmly but not excessively to avoid damaging the components. Finally, double-check all connections, alignments, and fasteners. Verify that the wiring harness is secure and the assembly sits flush against the body. This prevents future issues and ensures proper operation. Resealing is crucial to prevent water damage. Apply butyl tape or Tesla-recommended adhesive around the perimeter of the new taillight assembly. Ensure complete coverage without gaps to create a watertight seal. This prevents future LED failures caused by moisture ingress. In 2024, Tesla added heat sinks, which improved heat dissipation. Begin by reconnecting the vehicle's battery to restore power safely. Once power is restored, use the car's infotainment system to test all taillight functions, including brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights. If the taillight assembly includes a backup camera, verify its functionality on the infotainment screen and recalibrate the guidelines if necessary for accurate display. If any lights fail to operate, use a multimeter to diagnose potential wiring issues by checking continuity and voltage at the electrical connections. If issues arise during the replacement process, the first step is to double-check all wiring connections. Ensure the 6-pin connector is fully seated and locked in place. Also, inspect the resealing around the assembly perimeter. Any gaps or poor adhesion can lead to moisture ingress and future failures. For additional troubleshooting help, community forums are invaluable resources. Tesla Motors Club and Reddit have active communities where owners share repair experiences and solutions for common taillight issues. Automotive expert Jason Fensky recommends using OEM parts for maximum longevity and reliability. Aftermarket options may save money initially, but can lead to compatibility issues or shorter lifespans. Remember that proper resealing is the most critical step to prevent future taillight failures. Use butyl tape or Tesla-recommended adhesive applied evenly around the entire perimeter. Poor sealing can allow moisture to enter, causing electrical shorts or LED damage. As of 2025, Tesla offers a parts recycling program where old taillight assemblies can be refurbished and reused. This helps reduce electronic waste and provides more affordable replacement options through certified refurbishers.